Telepathy. Joke. Kidding. Hi. So, what's up, guys? Happy New Year. Come here. This is Jessica. This is for Anti-Angels. Oh, Nick. Hi. This is Jessica. Yeah, so I just want to say Happy New Year to everyone. And thank you. We'll try, let's have a get-together soon. Yes?
When?
Yeah. Siyempre, summer siya, di ba? So yeah, thank you. Mag-marathon tayo. No, anyway, just want to say thank you for everything. Thank you for being active on Facebook, on Twitter, for, just hanging out with me all the time, even kahit likes or, comments.
Kinikilig yan.
Super. Yeah, hindi talaga ako ganito, pero I'm shy na. Bye,